And I'm back again. Now part 2. Honey 5. I don't know if it's -5 or slash, whatever. 5 by 5, hand tied, swish line, Swiss, Swiss silk, Swiss line, Swiss silk, deep front lace. I got this at my local hair store. I don't really rock wigs because, first, they make me feel like I can't breathe, like my head. But this is it. You cut some of it. You cut some of it. You cut most of it. Let me just say that. But this is my second time. I had used the wig glue, and it was so sticky. But I seen someone use the Gotta Be glue. So we're going to do that and see what it does. See what it do. So I'm going to look at it, and I'm going to put a thin layer at first where the hair ends. Okay. So I'm going to put a little on my hand. Oh, it's not, it's a thick, okay. I like that. I thought it was going to be like, like the natural gel. So I'm just going to put a little bit. Oh, okay. I hope it does what it, like the glue does. And look, already, glue on the hair. Like, I'm not careful when it comes to lace fronts. Like, I don't really know too much. Oh, it goes on clear. Okay. It starts white. Now, I thought that was going to be an issue. But then once you rub it in, it's pretty clear. So that's one thing I liked about it. It's one thing I'm starting to like. It gets clear. But the little straggaway hairs is a little irritating. That's why I'm glad I put a thin layer on first. And I'm going to dry it. I'm going to put it on my head and then dry it and then, keep putting it on until it gets, stuck on my head. And like my sisters, she used to have like this long hair. My hair used to be, I cut my hair like I couldn't get it to grow, cut it all off, try again, cut it all off, try again, cut it short. So just did a thin line, just rub it in a little bit. Okay, so it has these combs on it. I like the combs. Even though I do put bobby pins on my hair, that's a good thing to do. And then it also has the tightener. The tightener are these elastic things with two connectors on it. So I'm going to pin it on first. Try not to get it like super duperty on. Ugh. See? That's exactly what I did not want to happen, and it happened anyways. So I seen the girl do it. She glued it on first, her head. She glued it on and then cut it. Like once it got dry. And I put protection seal on it. Needs to come down a little bit further. I'm gonna have to either put it in a ponytail or clip it. Because I'm going to have to dry this part, put another layer on, dry it, and then cut it. So I'm going to pause it while I'm drying it because I don't want y'all don't need to all that. So I'm going to pause it. And I'm back. So it's on there. It's a little sticky, but we're going to cut it anyways and then figure it out. So you should use hair scissors, to cut scissors, but I can't find my hair scissors, so this is about to be a tough process. It really is. And plus, I don't have a mirror, so I'm just praying to God I don't freak my thing up. But you know what I'm gonna do? I'm not gonna cut so much off at first, just in case. I like to be just in case. Just in case I gotta go through and cut it again. Okay, you can still see the glue. So I'm gonna I don't know if I should cut it more because I don't know if you're supposed to see this. So if y'all have any ideas, like, just let me know because I'm like messing up my beat makeup I just put on, and I think I should have cut it more on the lines, but it looks good. It's just there's you can't. I think I need to cut this part. I think it needs to be cut again. So I'm gonna. I think I glued it on really. So let's see if I can cut some more of it off without cutting into the hairline too much. Okay, so see, it's starting to look a little bit better. I'm cutting it to the hairline, well, to the best of my ability, because I glued it on, and oh shoot, yeah, I cut some of the hair. Okay. But, oh my goodness, that looks really good. I need to, blow dry it a little bit more because you can see some of the darkness, the lightness, but once you put the wig on it, I mean, does it really look like a wig? I did cut some of the hair, but it really looks decent. You should have seen, like, compared to the hair I did before this. Oh, it was not cute. It was sticky everywhere. I like the Gotta Be glue. Like, I might put some more on it, just so you know. And then I seen people, this one didn't, I don't know, it didn't really come with baby hairs. And you know what the crazy part about it is? Yeah, it didn't, see, there's no baby hairs to separate it. And there's supposed to be a part, yeah, there we go. See. Let me see. Could use a comb, but you can see there's that supposed to be a little part that you can see, so it doesn't really look too wiggish. You see, like, I start getting claustrophobic because it feels like my hair literally cannot breathe. Like, I wear sew-ins all day. But I really like this wig. I really understand why people, do wigs. Especially the ones that are, lace fronts. Because it really, like, looks like your real hair. Like, it really does. So, I'm, like, picture perfect. Like, I'm ready to do some of these pictures now. I am going to style my hair. I think I might wear it up like this, or, a little side action, and then do something like that. I don't quite know what I'm going to do with it right now. I'm going to, glue it down some more and figure it out from there. And then maybe do, like, play with it a little bit. You know what I mean? But it looks... what do you guys think? Inbox me. I mean, comment. If you know any tricks or anything, let a sister know. But I think I did a pretty good job with it being my, let me put that thing right here. I think I did a pretty good job for it being, I would recommend this Gotta Be glue. Thanks, I forget who. I need to start, giving homage to the people that I see on videos. But when I be watching videos, I don't really, like, per se, like, remember the names, but I always subscribe to anyone's channel that be really like giving me ideas and stuff. So if you guys have any ideas, or subscribe to me, I subscribe to you. But this gotta be glue. It's really good, right? I mean, I could cut some more, but you can still see it a little bit. So I'm gonna glue it some more and then cut it some more. But it looks really good, like compared to the last time. Or even put some makeup on it, because I seen some girl put makeup on hers, so it didn't, go to the thing. But I could really rock it like this and still get away with it, But I really like it. I like the wig. I like I like tight curls, don't get me wrong, but this little wave, these little beach curls is cool. Like, look like she done came out of water. I crack myself up. I really like this. What do you guys think? Subscribe, comment, and let me know if you're feeling it. Tell me so. I want to either powder this down a little bit. But oh my goodness, this looks so much better from the wig that I did before. I had glue everywhere. The wig glue. Oh, it goes everywhere. Be careful with that. You guys know how to use it. Power to you. Power to you. If you don't know how to use it, be very careful, because it will get everywhere. Like, I didn't know how to use mine, and it just got everywhere. But thank you guys. I really like this. Thank you. I'm so sad that I can't remember who told me to use the Gotta Be glue, but whoever uses it, thank you guys. I'm talking to anyone that made a video about this instead of hair glue or the wig glue. Y'all saved my life. Not literally, but physically. So I was going to have a nervous breakdown.